Student, now today, introduction to three-dimension chapters, we will learn some basic formula. Okay? You know in distance formula between 2 point x1, y1 and x2, y2 in coordinate. Now in three dimension, let it is z1 and other point is x2, y2, z2. Let it is q point. Okay? So you want to find the distance between P and Q, right? So using the formula of distance, that is under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square plus now z2 minus z1 square. As you know, this formula for distance in Cartesian plane, right? Now include z2 minus z1 square. Similarly, if you want to find the midpoint, okay, formula was x1 y plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Similarly, you can add z1 plus z2 upon 2. Okay. Now the internal section formula, let P point is this one, Q point is this one, internal point is A, divided it into M1 is to M2. Then internal section formula for A equal to, you know well, M1 x2, that P point is x1 y1 z1 and Q point is x2 y2 z2. M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2. Cross multiply M1 x2 plus M2 x1. If you using M1 starting, then there is M1. For y, similarly M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. This was for coordinate, but now for space, now you can add third one for z1. M1 z2 plus M2 z1 upon M1 plus M2, right? If PQ divided by external section formula, then you can use for external section, you can use here minus. Okay? So what will be the formula? That is M1 x2 minus M2 x1 upon M1 minus M2. Similarly for y, M1 y2 minus M2 y1 upon M1 minus M2. Similarly for z, M1 z2 minus M2 z1 upon M1 minus M2. Okay? So my dear student, these all formula you know in the Cartesian plane, Cartesian geometry, coordinate geometry. Now for space, you have to include the z point also. Using this formula, we can do the questions, finding the distance, section formula. Okay? So, go through this formula, learn this formula, and after that, we will meet here some questions from exercise. Right, my dear? Okay, thank you for today.